Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have created this look. This is a wedding guest look for the daytime, and all the products that I have used for this look have been purchased from Amazon's wedding theme sale that is going on now. So you can go ahead and check all the products that I have used in the video. I will be giving every product detail. If you want to see what are the products that I have picked from Amazon's wedding theme sale, please keep on watching the video. I'm sure you're going to like it and find it helpful. The first and foremost thing that we should take care of when we are attending a wedding, especially if we are staying for the whole day, is using a good skincare regime. The first thing that I have picked up is this L'Oreal Sheet Mask. It's the Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Treatment Mask for crystal clear skin. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask has hyaluronic acid that makes skin smooth and radiant. The original price is Rs 150, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 112. The second product to add to the glow that we are looking for a wedding guest look is a brightening serum, and for that I have picked up this Chemist at Play brightening serum. Chemist at Play brightening serum has 20% vitamin C, 2% tocopherol and 0.5% ferulic acid. The original price is Rs 899, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 849. The third thing for our skincare will be moisturization, and for that I have picked up this Dot & Key Green Skin Detox Smoothie Day Cream. It has SPF 20 in it. Dot & Key Green Skin Detox Smoothie Day Cream for women is enriched with vitamins A, D and K and has SPF 20. The original price is Rs 845, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 659. We are going to attend a daytime wedding, and how can we ignore a sunscreen? So a sunscreen is essential, and for that I have picked up this sunscreen from Liquil. It's their Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. It has a tint in it. Liquil Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen is 100% mineral sunscreen with 25% zinc oxide. It is priced at Rs 795. Now I always prefer using less makeup when I am going to stay at a place for a long time, and for that I always prefer using a BB cream which is very lightweight. So for that I have picked up this Lenfor BB cream. Lenfor Perfection 3-in-1 BB cream has a fantastic coverage and a fragrance of cloves. The original price is Rs 499, but on Amazon you get it at Rs 424. The essential part of any wedding makeup look, be it as a guest or be it as a bride's relative or anyone, is eye makeup. And what's better than golden eye makeup for a wedding? For that I have picked up few products from Palladio. These are the products. One is an eyeshadow and one is an eyeshadow cum eyeliner. Palladio Beauty Crushed Metallic Shadow in Eclipse is lovely bronze gold shade. It is priced at Rs 590. Palladio Beauty Shadow Liner Crayon in Gold Dust is a crayon that can be used as a liner as well as a shadow. The original price is Rs 399, but on Amazon you get it at Rs 299. The next product that I have picked up for bright and beautiful eyes is this kohl pencil from Rini. It has a beautiful shade. Rini Holistic Kajal Pencil is priced at Rs 1559. I have used the shade Regal Sapphire. You're attending a wedding function, and for that you require good jewelry, and for that I have picked up this Mang Tikka and these bangles. Sukhi fascinating gold-plated Eddie bangles for women comes in a set of 4. The original price is Rs 1995, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 199. iJewels gold-plated traditional Kundan Mang Tikka for women is a beautiful stone-studded Mang Tikka. The original price is Rs 2490, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 240. Finally, of course, for an Indian wedding, you are going to wear an ethnic wear. So if it's a daytime wedding, I prefer to wear a salwar suit, and for that a dupatta is very much required. And I have picked up a dupatta that can go with any color and any sort of attire, and I have picked up this golden dupatta. Dupatta Bazaar Women's Art Silk Dupatta is a wonderful hand-embroidered golden beige dupatta. The original price is Rs 899, but on Amazon you will get it at Rs 404. All these products have been purchased from Amazon's wedding theme. All the products are going on sale right now, or they are giving amazing discounts on all the products on Amazon. So please check. I have given all the links to the products in the description box. You can also go ahead and shop the entire look from my Amazon storefront. Also, if you are going to buy a lipstick on Amazon, there is option of you trying the lipstick. You can try any shade of your choice, and you can see how it looks on your skin type, on your complexion, and you can pick your preference. So yes, this is all that I have picked up from the Amazon wedding theme sale that is going on. I hope you have liked the videos and all the things that I have purchased. Again, I am repeating, all the links of the products will be given in the description box. You can go check, buy the products on sale, and also you can check my Amazon storefront to shop the entire look or any of the products that you have liked from this entire look and buy for yourself. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.